Welcome everyone. In our last class, we have already defined probability. There were three different definitions of probability. One was classical. Number two is your statistical. And number three is axiomatic. Right? So प्रत्येक definition है निजा निजा एटा approach আছে and classical definition एटा drawback आছিলে जितो आतराবৰ কাৰণে আমি statistical definition কৰিলো and statistical definition আৰু কিছুমান drawback आছিলে সেই কাৰণে আমি কি কৰিলো যে আমি axiomatic definition লৈকে approach কৰিলো. We have already discussed how to find the probability of an event. So event ki asile is a collection of sample points, right? So aji ami kisuman terms use which are used in probability or the concept of set which probability khub basically use hoy tar bishoye olo familiar hom. Prothom kotha hol the first topic is algebra of events. Okay, events bura not ki dona algebra hoy etu বিষয়ে discuss কৰিম. Right? So algebra events প্ৰথম to হৈছে যে if you have a and b বুলি দুটা event আছে then this is equal to b union a, right? So a union b or b union a will mean the same. Similarly a intersection b is same as b intersection a. So এইখিনিতে মই এই ইউনিয়ন আৰু ইন্টাৰসেকশনৰ মিনিং টু কি ধৰণৰ হেইটো মই এক্সপ্লেইন কৰিব বিচাৰিছো. So in probability union means or in anything union means or, the word or, and intersection means and, right? So তোমাক যদি মই কও যে a union b বুলি দিয়া আছে তাৰ অৰ্থটো হ'ল the event a or b ইয়াতৰ ভিতৰত কোনোবা এটা হ'ব, right? দুইটাও হ'ব পাৰে but at least কোনোবা এটা হ'ব. And then a intersection b means the event a and b, right? So প্ৰথম কেছত a ও হ'ব পাৰে বা b ও অকাৰ হ'ব পাৰে বা দুইটাও অকাৰ হ'ব পাৰে, right? And next কেছত দুইটা অকাৰ হ'ব লাগিব, right? It is must, right? এটো a union b দুইটা অকাৰ নহবও পাৰে কেতিয়াবা কেতিয়াবা কোনোবা ক্ষেত্ৰত a অকাৰ হ'ব পাৰে কোনোবা ক্ষেত্ৰত b অকাৰ হ'ব পাৰে but a intersection b দুইটাৰে common point, right? So মই যদি example to a b ঠাইত যদি এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ দিয়া যে তুমি die throw কৰিছা and you have 6 faces. We have 6 faces while throwing a die. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, right? ছয়টা die throw কৰাৰ পিছত ছয়টা face পোৱাৰ পিছত তোমাৰ কি হ'ব যে there is two events. Suppose a is the event that the number is less than 4, right? Or less than 5 suppose. So a is the event of number less than 5. So কি হ'ব less than 5 ত 1 হ'ব 2 হ'ব 3 হ'ব and 4 হ'ব, right? And b is suppose the event of getting a even number. So even number hole ki hobo 2 4 and 6, right? So ita a union b e ki bujabo either tumi eta even number paisa ba tomar number to 4 itke horu, right? So that will mean a 2 3 4 and 6. So tomar 1 2 is either a even number or a tomar a value kini 1 2 3 4 6 কি ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছে কি যে either an even number or less than 5. Okay, that's the meaning. It is A intersection B ulabo loga hole that will mean the duita common point. So ei duita event or A aro B er majot common ki ase, there is a common point 2 yato 2 ase, 4 yato ase, 4 yato ase, right? So ami jodi likhu then we will get A intersection B as 2 and 4. So tumi saba je number to keta dekhile tumi gom paba যে এই নম্বৰ কেইটা 4তকে 5তকে সৰু হয় আৰু লগতে হিয়তে ইভেন নম্বৰো হয়, right? That means they are less than 5 as well as even, right? So দুইটা কন্ডিশনে satisfy কৰিছে. So A union B কোনবা এটা কন্ডিশন satisfy কৰিলে হৈ যায়, কিন্তু A intersection B দুইটা কন্ডিশনে satisfy কৰিব লাগিব. So that's A union B and A intersection B, right? So number 2, so আমি number 1 ত কি পালো, A union B is equal to B union A or A intersection B is equal to B intersection A, মানে দুইটা interchangeable. Next is your A union B union C is equal to A union B union C, right? So yak ki koa hoy distributive law boli koa hoy. Similarly tumi yar karone A intersection B intersection C is same as A intersection B intersection C, right? So tumi the order of the braces mane bracket jot dhorisa eto order to change koribo paro, the value will not change. Number 3 is A intersection B union C is A intersection B union A intersection C, right? ঠিক তেনেদৰে A union B intersection C will be equal to A union B intersection A union C. Now A algebra of events bor amar kane important because ami jetia pisole complex probability question korim ebor expression ami use korim tat. The next one is number 4, A union A bar is your sample space. A bar ki asile probable or event of not happening of A, but are complement, right? Aru ihator intersection ki hobo, A intersection B will be phi, right? Phi means empty. Aru thik tenedore tumi A union তোমার sample space or লগত থাকিলে তুমি হলে sample space এ পাবা আৰু A intersection হলে A to নিজেই পাবা, right? A union phi will remain A intersection phi will be phi. These are from the same set of values বা same property. Then another formula that is used or relationship jar naam eta ase, and I guess you have already heard about this, that is De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law মতে A union B ওপৰত যদি bar দিও it is equal to A bar union to bar দিয়া পিছত change হয় intersection হৈ যাব right similarly A intersection B ৰ ওপৰত যদি bar দিও then A bar is union B bar. So if situation to কেতিয়া তোমাৰ ইউজ হ'ব তোমাৰ লগত ধৰি লওক কোৱেশ্চন এটা দিয়া আছে যে A বুলি এটা ইভেন্ট দিয়া আছে B বুলি এটা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ ইভেন্ট দিয়া আছে and তোমাক কৈছে যে what find the probability that neither A right neither A nor B happens. So neither A nor B happens is 1 minus either A or B happens. B happens. So this is nothing but A union B bar. Okay. তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ সিচুৱেচন পিছলে আহিব কিছু কোৱেশ্চন কিছুমান আমি পিছলে ইয়াৰ ওপৰত ডিসকাস কৰিম যত এইবোৰ ফৰ্মুলা ইউজ হ'ব. Then last property which is I guess number 6 is A bar bar double bar hole ako A ho jabo. The probability of not happening will be happening. This is very like minus gives you plus like that concept and I guess you guys are already familiar with this thing. Okay, so next we have a theorem. Okay, so if A and B are any two events then probability of A union B is given by probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So ইয়াক যদি proof কৰিব লাগে let us try to prove this. Okay. So proof কৰিব লগা হলে কি হ'ব যে suppose we are going to use a diagram to prove this. So দুটা ইভেন্ট আছে A and B. This is A, this is suppose B, and this shaded area, let me use another color. So this shaded area over here will represent A intersection B. Yes, sir. So this area over here, this blue area will represent এইখিনিত কি আছে A আছে but B নাই. Those area which has A but not B, so this is represented by A intersection B bar. Right? A আছে but B নাই. And then suppose this area, right? Yat ki ase B ase but A nai, so not A but B. Right? So we have three different areas, right? And gutte entire box to ki hobo your sample space. Yes, sir. So এই sample space to upor etia jodi tumi soa A bula area to you consider this circle A bula circle to consider kora. Let us consider this circle. A circle to duta path jano ase, the blue area and the yellow area, right? So that means A is equal to A intersection B bar, right? আৰু জয়েন কৰিবৰ কাৰণে সেটত কি কৰো আমি ইউনিয়ন ইউজ কৰো, ৰাইট? ইজ A intersection B. A এর মানে এইটো পালো যে this A area is combination of two parts. One part is A intersection B bar, that means only A jot hoise exclusively A hua part to, and then duita jointly hua mutually hua part ki, right? Now etia dekhiba je yotor majot kono common point nai. These two parts, a yellow part khini aru a blue part khini majot kon dhoro common point nai. That means common point na thakile ami ki boli ko, ami mutually exclusive boli ko da, right? So amar ei diagram to tomar blue part and yellow part are mutually exclusive, right? Now A intersection B bar and A intersection B are mutually exclusive. Therefore, probability of A is equal to probability of A intersection B bar union A intersection B, right? It is mutually exclusive hole A bostu to we can write it as probability of A intersection B bar plus probability of A intersection B. This is by formula. Ami already here agot axiomatic definition of disilu je jodi A1 A2 up to AN ta mutually exclusive events thake tetiale tahator majot union bur as summation express koribo pari. Etu already ami discuss korisu. Okay? So we got this. Etia tomar this value can be represented as probability of A intersection B bar is equal to probability of A minus probability of A intersection B. The B khetrot ki hobo similarly B will be equal to, right? B will be equal to A bar intersection B union A intersection B, right? This blue or this red part is A bar intersection B, or this yellow part is A intersection B. Hey dutar union e ki dibo tomak B dibo. Na hey duita disjoint hoy tumi swa tator majot eko common point nai. These are completely distinct. So that's why ami ki koribo paru je ami yaro mutually exclusive hisabe dhoribo paru. So therefore, so since A bar intersection B and A intersection B are mutually exclusive, comma, therefore probability of B is equal to probability of A bar into B intersection union A intersection B. Mutually exclusive, so ami hiatok as a sum represent koribo paru. Right? So that means tumi yapra ki pala je probability of A bar intersection B is equal to probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Okay, so ami duta expression palu. Eituk jodi moi equation number 1 boli diu, eituk jodi moi equation number 2 boli diu. The equation 1 aru 2 pora tumi ki paba je tomar আমাৰ আল্টিমেট অবজেক্টিভ হ'ল A union B ৰ ভ্যালু ওলাব লাগে right so A union B will be nothing but a blue part to plus this yellow part plus red part right okay so aru so now A union B is nothing but A intersection B bar A term to union A intersection B bula term to union A bar intersection B bula term to right so my graph to akko ebar akibo lage for reference tetia hole a circle duta this part is A intersection B this part is A intersection B bar this part is A bar intersection B aru protekore swa tumi common point nai duita separate tinta separate area ase so hiyotok gutte khini total koribo laga hale ami union lobo lagibo and union jehetu hiyote mutually exclusive jehetu hiyotor majot common point nai so they all are mutually exclusive এটা mutually exclusive hole ki koribo pari the probability of A union B I can write it like A intersection B bar union A intersection B union A intersection B ঠিক আছে so this mutually exclusive karone tahatok A intersection B bar plus probability of A intersection B plus probability of A bar intersection B boli likhibo par okay now equation number 1 normally A intersection B bar or value ki hoy A minus probability of A intersection B ঠিক তেনে মানে bar আছে B ৰ ওপৰত bar আছে এখানে ইয়াতে B নাই PA minus PA ঠিক তেনে ইয়াতে A ৰ ওপৰত bar আছে so A নাই B আৰু A intersection B আছে so from equation 1 and 2 আমি ইয়াত কি লিখিব পাৰো probability of A minus probability of A intersection B right plus probability of A intersection B plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B so itu kenake palu ami using 1 and 2 এটা use kori paisu so etia yar pora ki palu ami probability of A palu plus probability of B palu then this minus PAB plus PAB B intersection B cancel out hobo thakibo ke minus probability of A intersection B so which is the value of probability of A union B so this is the formula and a formula to khub use hobo jetia ami thoila duta eventor majot mutually happening or probability ulabo lage but either of them or probability ulabo lage so this formula or this theorem is very important from that point of view so etia ami kisuman example oleke jam tar agote aru eta theorem ase a very small theorem the theorem says that if A and B are any two events such that B is a subset of A then probability of B is less than equal to probability of A subset ki hoy subset or ortho to hol je thorilwa enukwa dhonor option ase je 1 2 3 and 4 and B is suppose 1 2 3. That means B atakita element 8 already include hoye ase, so B is a subset of A. So here jodi proof koribo loga hoy, if you have to prove this, let us take a diagram. The diagram to tomar ki hoise je this is the universal set. Universal set tor bitorot you have a bigger set and then a smaller set, right? So this bigger set is nothing but A, right? And the smaller set is nothing but your B, right? So A yat jibilak element ase, right, within this ebor extra, but jibilak bit element ase hebilak already A2 thakibo. Okay, so this values is given by 8 ase but bit 9. Okay, let me write it down in a clearly. এই ভিতৰৰ সাৰ্কেলটোৰ ভিতৰত এটো ডোনাটটোৰ ভিতৰৰ যেখিনি এম্পটি স্পেস আছে হেখিনি হল A ইন্টাৰসেকশন B. A2 আছে B2 আছে, right? This is A intersection B. Okay, but এই বাহিৰৰ যেখিনি টাৰ্ম আছে এই ডটেড এৰিয়া খিনি, this is 8 আছে but bit 9, right? So basically tar ortho to ki hol je A ek dangor jintu circle ase is a combination of A intersection B aro A intersection B bar, right? By to gotei to A intersection B boli nako ami okol B bolio kobo paro. A bhitor term to is nothing but simple bhakat that is B, right? That is B and bahiror khini 8 ase but bit 9, bit na thaka. So we can write it like this, that A is nothing but the union of B and A intersection B bar, right? The duitar majot kono dhoroner common point nai and they are disjoint, that means mutually exclusive. So ami ki likhibo paru, probability of A will be equal to probability of B union A intersection B bar. And let me give a bracket here. Jehetu you have disjoint, so ami ki likhibo probability of B plus probability of A intersection B bar. Okay, etia আমি জানো যে A intersection B bar এই উপৰৰ টাৰ্মটো at max it can be 0, right? At lowest যদি B আৰু A সাবসেটৰ এনেকুৱা হয় যে তোমাৰ কেতিয়াবা ইকুৱেল হৈ যায়, এটা এই B টো ডাঙৰ হৈ একদম ম্যাক্সিমাম কি হ'ব পাৰিব যে A ৰ লগত ইকুৱেল হৈ যাব পাৰিব, ৰাইট? Equalotke bahirot jabo noare. To be a subset it can at max be equal to A. Equal hole ki hoy jabo, this A intersection B will be 0. Otherwise equal nohole tatke jimane horu hoy nathake kyo, it will be always greater than 0. That means probability of this A intersection B bar ekdom horu jodi eta least value will be 0. 0 ke tolot jabo noare. Also by definition of probability ketao negative hobo noare, right? So negative hobo noare mane it must be greater than or equal to 0. Hey concept to porao etu ekhar line true. Tetia hole jodi a bostu khar a item to, that means this probability of A intersection B bar is greater than equal to 0, tetia hole your probability of B must be less than a. এটা তোমাৰ এইটো বুজিবৰ কাৰণে এনেকুৱা ধৰা যে তুমি লিখিছা 5 is equal to 4 plus 1, right? So এই টার্মটো পিছৰ টার্মটো is greater than 0, right? Greater than equal to 0 হয়. So তেতিয়া হলে এই ফালৰ তোমাৰ লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডৰ টার্মটো obviously এই টার্মটোতকৈ ডাঙৰ হ'বই. No matter তুমি জিয়ে নলওক কিয়, তুমি সাপোজ এতিয়া লৈছা যে 4.9 plus 0.1, still 5 is greater than 4.9. So তুমি যিমানেই চেষ্টা নকৰা কিয়, this term, your left hand side term will always be greater than your first term, right? So যেহেতু এই টার্মটো আমি এই পিছৰ টার্মটো is greater than 0, so this probability of b must be less than আৰু equal কেতিয়া হ'ব, less than or equal কেতিয়া হ'ব, যেতিয়া এই probability a intersection b বাৰ 0 হৈ যাব তেতিয়া দুইটা equal হৈ যাব, right? So hence proved. Probability of b তো তাৰ মানে কি, যদি এটা ইভেন্ট আন এটা ইভেন্টৰ ভিতৰত সোমাই থাকে তেতিয়াহলে তাৰ probability-টো obviously সৰু হৈ যাব. So that is about some properties of probability. And আমি already কিছুমান last classত probability numericals কৰিছো, right? So আজি আমি probability আৰু কিছুমান numericals study কৰিম, right? So exercise to কোৱা আছে যে what is the probability that a leap year selected at random will contain 53 Saturdays, right? So আমি এটা leap year select কৰিছো randomly. So leap year means which is those years divided by 4, right? Like 2000 is a leap year, 2004 leap year, 2008 leap year, and right now 2020 is also a leap year. So আমাক কৈছে যে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ leap year এটা তুমি randomly select কৰা and তাত 53 টা সানডে, গোটেই বছৰটোত 53 টা সানডে পোৱাৰ probability কি. So ইয়াৰ solution ওলাব লগা হলে in a normal year মানে non leap year হলে 365 days থাকে, right? And in a leap year there are 366 days. যদি তুমি 366 divided by 7 will give you 52 weeks and 2 extra days. So in a leap year তাত 52 টা সপ্তাহ থাকে আৰু দুটা এক্সট্ৰা দিন থাকে, দুটা ৰৈ যায়, right? So এই দুটা দিনত এতিয়া 52 in any year leap year হওক non leap year হওক তুমি সদায় 52 টা উইক পাবা, কমপ্লিট উইক. 52 কমপ্লিট উইক আছে মানে 52 টা স্যাটাৰডে তুমি পাইছা তাতে, ৰাইট? আমাক স্যাটাৰডে ওলাব দিছে. So a complete 52 weeks ot obviously that Saturday থাকিব. So 52 ta already Saturday আমি a 52 weeks ot পালো, right? 50 এটা আমাৰ যে বাকি থকা যদি এই দুটা এক্সট্ৰা দিন আছে এই এক্সট্ৰা দিনত যদি আমি এটা স্যাটাৰডে পাই যাও তেতিয়াহলে আমাৰ টোটাল 53 টা স্যাটাৰডে হৈ যায় ৰাইট সো এই বাকি থকা দুটা দিন যে সেই দুটা দিনৰ পসিবিলিটি কি হ'ব পাৰে যে what may be the possible combination বাকি দুটা দিনৰ তোমাৰ কি হ'ব পাৰে যে মানডে এন্ড টিউজডে হ'ব পাৰে টিউজডে এন্ড ওয়েডনেসডে হ'ব পাৰে ওয়েডনেসডে এন্ড থাৰ্সডে হ'ব পাৰে থাৰ্সডে এন্ড ফ্ৰাইডে হ'ব পাৰে ফ্ৰাইডে এন্ড স্যাটাৰডে হ'ব পাৰে এন্ড স্যাটাৰডে এন্ড সানডে হ'ব পাৰে দিস ইজ দা পসিবিলিটি সো এই পসিবিলিটিৰ ভিতৰত তুমি চোৱা যে আমাৰ টোটাল 1 2 3 4 5 6 और Sunday Monday हो right? Sunday and then Monday 8 possibilities so we have 7 possibilities so 7 possibilities of ভিতৰত আমাক Saturday লাগে so Saturday code আছে this Friday Saturday আছে and Saturday Sunday আছে that means we have two cases which are favoring our situation ইহতে আমাক ফেভার কৰি আছে and total number of cases is 7 right so that means our probability will be 2/7 right this is the required probability so etu jodi tumi bhalke likhibo loga hoy the solution to moi jodi structured kori likhiu tare solution to enuka dhorono hobo okay in a leap year there are 52 complete weeks and 2 extra days okay? 52 week 2 extra days there will be 53 Saturdays this if these 2 days contain 1 Saturday contain 1 Saturday the possibilities are number 1 Sunday and Monday number 2 is Monday and Tuesday number 3 is Tuesday and Wednesday number 4 is Wednesday and Thursday number 5 is Thursday and Friday number 6 is Friday Saturday let me write it down in a different color so this is Friday and Saturday and your Saturday Sunday this is number 7 so these are our possibilities okay therefore n is equal to 7 and m is equal to 2. Yes, therefore required probability is equal to 2 by 7, which is the solution. So you try yourself one question, that is, in a non-leap year, what is the probability of getting 53 Mondays? So this is a homework. Okay, so that's all for today. And আজি আমি কিছুমান probability terms and as well as numericals discuss কৰিছো. In our next class we will discuss some more complex questions, and also we will discuss about cards and how different groups are there in cards and cards related কিছুমান আমি problem solve কৰিম. Thank you. See you in the next class.